Alrighty, we're back out here in the woods again, and just dug up my first target, and it is just a small pistol ball. So, got another monkey ball, just a little one. Alrighty, moving on, see what else we can find. Alright, we just dug our second target for the day, and it is it looks to be just a plain general service button. I don't see anything in the shield there. And no back, yeah, it's back marked. My eyes are foggy, so I can't see very good. But got a shank and just a plain general service button. We'll take it. That's my second target. I've been working my butt off. I've been out here for almost an hour already. One musket ball and a general service button. So, looks like I've hunted this place pretty good. But we'll keep going, see what else we can sniff out. Alright, moving on. I just dug the button right there. I got a similar signal. It was just a small bullet fragment, nothing old. So we're gonna keep working this little spot right here, see what we can't pop up. Seems like I got a couple buttons in here a little while back. Found one right next to the, I just found that one there, but I'd found another button there a couple weeks ago. So missed that one. I'm using the E-Track today with the small coil 6x9 SEF. So just gonna hunt it out with this and see what we can't pop out. All right, moving on. All right, another hole, another target. Looks like just a buckle. Not sure what type, just a simple strap buckle. Could be iron. No, it's going to be copper, brass. Just a brass buckle. Targets are kind of slim here, so I may move on to another spot. Not sure, but still getting a couple targets in here, so we'll maybe work it a little bit longer. But again, I'm using the E-Track today with the little 6x9 SEF. Seems to be doing pretty good, sniffing through the iron. Not digging much iron today, so that's pretty good. But anyway, we'll keep moving, see what else pops up. A little brass buckle. Moving on. Oh, rang pretty good, so I went ahead and dug it, and it looks like it was just a square nail. So anyway, we got it out the ground. There must be about 1 billion of these here, so try not to dig those, but we got one. Just a square nail. Moving on. Alright, another hole. Another weird piece of lead. Just a flat lead thing with a hole in the middle. So, not sure what it was. So, throw it in the bag. Keep working. Moving on. Just a weird lead thing. Alrighty, moving on, guys. Alright, still way out here in the woods. Just worked myself out to a really special place right here. You can see these 1600s coquina bricks in the ground right here. And this is actually the site of my two boys, Diablo and Damien. My two dogs, they passed away about 5 years ago. And I buried them out here in a special spot and covered them with 1600s coquina bricks from a Spanish site that I knew of. I brought the bricks out here and laid them over top of my dogs. One of them was Diablo. He was 16, and Damien, he was 11. And over here, along the tree over here, I'll show you a special little spot. I have two 1600s coquina bricks right here with Diablo and Damien. I miss those boys so much. But this is the little grave site of my two best friends, Diablo and Damien. Miss them. Alrighty guys, we're moving on. Alright, get a little roundup in. Finally crawled out the woods. Didn't find too much today. A few oddball pieces. I guess my first target was the little monkey ball, little tiny pistol ball. I probably got a couple hundred, or excuse me, a couple thousand musket balls. So we'll throw that in the box. Another one. Dug up this weird piece of lead, some kind of lead circle. Not sure what it was, some kind of cap or something like that. Maybe a bottle cap. Back in the Spanish colonial periods, they'd use lead bottle toppers and stuff like that. So I'm not sure what that is, but could be something to that effect. Who knows? We dug up a, looks like it's iron, but it's just probably because of the pin. It's rusty, but it's actually a brass or a copper buckle inside there. So we got another buckle inside that. Some soldier's ration key, food ration key. They usually pop up pretty nice because they'll, even though the key's iron, it'll have a little bit of the tin still on there, so they usually hit pretty high. But that's just a soldier's ration key. Food rations. Got a couple iron nails, a couple more iron nails. Got that one bullet, a blob, we don't know what it is, piece of flat iron, that thing there. And then I guess the best target of the day was we got another general service button. So pulled up another general service. Those are always good to find. Pretty cool. I think I've got let's see, I've got my button bucket here. Got a few of the general services now. So let's see. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of the general service buttons now. So another one for the collection. So pretty much got his whole coat. So another general service. We'll take it. Saving history. One button at a time. Alrighty guys, moving on. Had a good day out there. Saved a buckle and a couple other fragments. So we'll get out there again tomorrow. I've got a trip planned with my friend tomorrow, my digging partner. So I'm going to get out to a special little spot we have together and hunt it out and hopefully find some nice stuff to show you. Alright guys, take care. Have a good night, good day, wherever you are in the world. Bye.